Hello, this is Vanessa with Heal Body Mind, and I am going to show you how I make my power packed smoothie, green smoothie. It's got lots of ingredients. Keep in mind it's not geared towards taste, but more towards maximizing nutrition, although you can make it taste good. So each person will find their own way with that, and I have a few suggestions. So, because I haven't committed to a new purifying system for my sink, I rinse my greens under tap water, which drives me crazy. So you'll see a little trick I use for those of you who have not bought a sink unit. And all my other veggies I do not put into the tap water, and you'll see how I handle that. Thanks. So I'm gonna start everything from scratch, including pulling things out of the fridge. So I do, then I do herbs. So I basically just run these under water very swiftly. I find the spinach is the one that really tends to have any earth still left on it. And then I just blot the tap water off of it. Then I cut my greens all at once for ease. And often I will feed these just 2 or 3 at a time into the blender as it's going, but I'm trying something new today. And I do cucumber, green apple, and celery. I use purified water, damped onto this cool nanotechnology microfiber towel. This towel is said to clean grimy surfaces without soap, so I trust it to have enough microfibers to do a good job on my veggies. That is everything out of the fridge. So I'm just going to get 3 cups of water out of my purifier. Here we go. Going to add the greens. Going to go ahead and get my other herbs ready, which are turmeric stains, so I typically don't like to get it on the cutting board. Ginger. Fresh rather than ground. And then garlic. Which, if you smash with a big chef's knife like this, it peels away with total ease. I usually do 1 to 2 large cloves, or at least medium-sized cloves. So let's go ahead and start blending. And I also believe that soon as you cut into something, it starts to lose its vitality and nutrition. Apples display that great. They start turning brown almost immediately. I usually cut these into about 6 pieces or 8 pieces, depending on how big the apple is. And then my cucumber. And again, one of the reasons I chop things just before I put them in is because I do believe that they lose nutrition as soon as they're cut into, and they start to lose, in a sense, life force. So I do my best to eat them as soon as after I prepare a meal or cut anything up, as soon as possible afterwards. So that is all my basic ingredients. I do like to add bee pollen as well. Local, of course. And I also sometimes I often add chia seeds as well, but I need to make some chia gel, and I will show you how to do that. So and then I only turn it on high for just a minute, and that's if I have a lot of greens in here. And you can drink it just like this. Which I often do. And you can add a lemon. I usually use a paring knife for that. My mother bought me this cool Cutco paring knife. She's so awesome. Actually, she brought me this Vitamix too. Thanks, Mom. I know that a lot of people add fruit to their smoothies, so I would stick personally with the low sugar fruits like all the berries, blueberries, blackberries, raspberries, and strawberries, or the green apple like I added. People tend to put a lot of bananas. I'm not a big fan of that. I'm not a big fan of high sugars, but you could put a quarter or something like that in there if you wanted, or more if you'd like. I'm not here to get everyone to eat exactly like me. I'm just working to educate people to eat healthier than they are and to eat more whole foods. Avocado was the trick for me when I first started eating these, drinking these smoothies. Was putting half an avocado in the smoothie. So you will see that it thickens it up. It just makes it a little smoother, exactly like a banana does to someone's smoothies. Makes it a lot more palatable for most people. I did it all the time until I felt like I was taking all my avocado intake in my smoothie, and I really wanted to just eat an avocado in its normal earth-given texture. I love the texture of an avocado right out of the shell. So cheers to your health and a prosperous 2019 with loads of blessings and your health improving each day. Have a wonderful one. Thanks.